Hola raza, ¿cómo están? ¿Cómo les va? Estamos en otro episodio más de The Wolf Among Us. Estamos justo donde dejamos en el anterior episodio, que era en las oficinas de Dee y Dom, los gemelos detectives, por así decirlo, o eso parece que son. En donde estamos aquí en sus oficinas con este pibe que ya no me acuerdo cómo se llama, pero estamos buscando pistas, por lo que vamos a buscarlas en sus escritorios.
You know about this?
No.
Una llave. Tenemos llave y dinero. El dinero supongo que...
Dear Brother D, I think we should get ourselves a dog. Sincerely, Brother Dunn. He actually mailed this?
They do have their quirks.
This is pointless.
Vamos a buscar uno por uno.
Dear Brother Dumb, I hate dogs and you know it. Sincerely, Brother D. Couple of freaks.
I know these guys can come off abrasive at times, but they aren't so bad once you get to know them. And they really care about helping people. They're kind of loud at times, but you get used to it.
How do you mean they help people?
They're detectives. Anyone can come in here with a problem and they'll do their best to fix it. The way Dee explains it, it's like if someone lost their cat, well, they could hire them to, track it down. Or like sometimes they get packages for people. They can be like couriers.
For who?
All kinds. Come to think of it, I don't really know where they keep them.
Interesante información, ¿eh?
Anyways, I'm just saying, you just don't know them like I do.
Sure, Flycatcher.
Flycatcher. A ver, la paleta. Don't touch. A ver esto.
Let's see if they got a file on Crane.
Pero... Bella, Brannigan, Cenicienta, Crane, piel de asno. Piel de asno no es... ¿Quién es piel de asno? ¿Quién era piel de asno? Me acuerdo. ¿Era Fate? Ah, sí, robaron una foto para Crane.
Crane hired them to look for a photo? So that's why they were at her apartment. And the woodsman's place.
Ok, pues...
See, I knew you wouldn't find anything. Anything of interest, anyways. They're detectives, like I said. Just trying to make an honest living.
Just stay out of this. I have work to do.
I'm just saying.
Look, just trust me on this. Tweedledee and Dumb are not nice. They're not helping anyone.
Well, they helped me.
Okay, great. They helped you. That's one person. Now, please, just let me concentrate here.
Es que ya que se cayó un rato, no necesito que cada vez que investigue algo me hable.
Ichabod Crane.
A ver, vamos a ver a Crane.
He owes the crooked man money.
Al hombre torcio.
Shit. How is he planning to pay this all back?
Virgen,
Request
chico.
for property acquisition. Further details filed under donkey skin. Why did he want it back so badly?
La Cenicienta, vamos a verla. Vamos a ver... Ay, cabrón, ¿dónde está Cindy? Vacaciones al parecer. Supongo que igual Cindy y la Cenicienta aparece en The Wolf Among Us 2. Brannigan, ¿quién es Brannigan?
Detective
Ah,
Brannigan.
la detective, delegación de
Keep an
presión.
eye on her.
¿Y por qué mantenerla vigilada, güey? Es la morra que durmió Crane, que nos ayudó a escapar. Y Bella.
This is worse than I thought.
Esperar orden del HT, presionarla.
Shit.
Porque
Finally.
les debe.
Not what I need.
What if you're wrong about them?
Bueno, que te
I'm not.
calles.
They're misunderstood, sure, but that doesn't mean everything people say about them is true. I mean, like when I think about it, you guys aren't that different. You help people, and they help people. Not that it's any of my business, but I just wanted to say, give them a chance. People can surprise you. Bigby?
Shit.
Que te calles ya.
There's something here. I
Lo
know
voy a
there
ignorar,
is.
güey.
There has to be.
Why would there be anything
Because
to...
they're lying to you, okay, Flycatcher? That's why. They aren't detectives. They're somehow involved in the murders, Flycatcher. 2 fables are dead.
Bigby, what happened to your...
Ay, se abrieron los
You
puntos.
wanna know what this is? This is them showing up to Lily's funeral with fucking shotguns!
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Look, Flycatcher, I know you like them, but they're a part of whatever's happening here. They're bad guys.
Que literalmente que se calle ya un puto rato, ¿no? El niño.
I didn't mean to...
Me va a mostrar algo.
There's a door behind this file cabinet.
¡Oh!
I don't know what they keep back here, but it might be what you're looking for. Well, that key you found should work.
Hola, sí es cierto. Verga, ¿por qué siento que me va a encerrar, güey? Va a llegar Dee o Dom o este cabrón me va a encerrar. Ya lo estoy viendo, ya lo estoy viendo. Qué turbio, ¿no? De repente se puso.
Wow.
Café. Pólvora. Eso era pólvora, ¿no? A ver, vamos a empezar desde la izquierda. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Comida enlatada?
What is this stuff?
What are you looking for exactly? Maybe I can help.
Anything about Crane. Or the witch he was using. Something.
Vamos viendo cosa por cosa.
I'm sorry, I know I'm late. I'll get it to you soon. Ichabod
Crane?
Crane.
Who was he sending money to?
Crooked Man. Care of the Lucky Pawn. Do you know what that is?
Lo tomo, lo tomo. No, pues sí, ¿para qué le
Is
sirve?
that what
¿No?
you needed?
I don't think so, but it's interesting. There's more going on here. I still need to find that witch, though.
¿Qué es esto?
Hey, Bigby. Do you think, after all this, do you think I could come back to the Woodlands? Since Crane let me go, I mean, I can still work here, but I don't think I want to now. I don't want to work with bad people, you know?
You should talk to Snow. Maybe there's something she can do for you.
Really? That would be... Thank you.
El pelo de Snow.
It's Snow's hair.
Snow White? Why...
We found her hair like this inside Lily's glamour. Anti-Greenleaf. This must be the witch Crane was using.
Encontré.
I guess Dee and Dumb were getting the hair for Crane and sending it to her? That's not a pleasant thought.
¿Hay alguien que se llama así?
Anti-Greenleaf.
¿Dónde está?
AG.
AG.
This is it.
¿Tienes teléfono? Tengo que contactar. No, llamo.
I have to tell Snow. This is the place.
There's a phone right over there.
Thanks, Fly.
Business office?
I know who she is.
Qué tenso.
Bigby! I just got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I know. This is it.
All right. How do you want to do this?
Primero escuchar.
Hear anything?
If anyone's in there,
¿No?
they're being awfully quiet.
Golpear, patear. ¿Cómo entro? ¿Cómo entro? ¿Cómo entro? ¿Cómo entro? No sé, no sé, no sé. Ah, de seguro está muerta o algo así, ¿verdad? Voy a tocar. Hay que ser civilizados. La puerta está abierta. ¿Qué decía yo?
Hello?
La madre, es una niña.
Hi.
Qué bueno que no la pateé, ¿no?
You woke me up.
Ajá.
Sorry about that.
Is something wrong?
Well, pardon the intrusion. I wasn't aware this was a Munchkin's house.
Well, Dorothy, it isn't.
Bueno, Dorothy, ¿no?
Sharp kid.
Who are you?
Rachel, who are you? Just so we're not
Yo
strangers.
soy Bigby.
I'm Bigby. This is Snow.
Ajá.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Is there anything you need?
Is Auntie Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She ever, make the nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
No, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me all right. Is there something you
pues,
want?
which-
I don't think I can really help you.
Snow, can you just do something here? I never have any idea what to say to these people.
You mean children?
Ajá.
Do you mind if my friend here takes a look around? I promise we'll be quick so you can hurry back to bed.
Y pasamos de una.
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here. Okay, Snow, I'm gonna trust your friend not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
Look for anything unusual.
Yeah, like Crane. He could still be here.
Ajá. A ver. Vamos a empezar de
No one's
izquierda a
been over
derecha.
all night.
What is this?
Mommy uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
Not here.
There's no one here but me.
Bueno, niña, te vas callando el perro hocico, ¿no? What the fuck? Vamos a buscar.
It's pretty rare to see a burner like this.
Dowdy. That's how we like it.
Ajá. Eso no lo necesito ver.
Let me guess. Big band or classical?
Honky tonk.
No accounting for taste. That your mom?
Uh-huh.
Pues bueno, al parecer sí es su mamá. O quién sabe, ¿verdad?
Your mom a hunter?
Oh no, she never... That was found in the woods around Dick's Mountain. I think.
¿Qué sospechas? Vamos a
Where
ver.
do you buy your clothes?
Addis.
Ajá. ¿Qué está ocultando la niña?
There's nothing that looks like Crane was here either.
Nothing?
See? How much longer do you think it'll be?
Bueno, pero es que niña, quítate
I
ahí.
saw a spider over there yesterday.
Oh?
It was a pretty one.
En serio. Entregar a un tigre un leaf.
A butcher.
What's that?
A package. Having to do with someone called the Butcher. I saw one just like it at the Tweedle's office.
Yo no vi nada. Supongo que no
damn
lo...
it.
Shouldn't say that.
Nothing?
Keep getting whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now? Please?
Era... Ya
Is that
sabía
a
yo.
glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, I've tried. Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with
It's
that.
all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break
No, you
it.
don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her stuff, okay? She checks all the time to see if things move.
I'm not gonna break it. I just want to open it.
No! Put it down! Please, don't! This isn't what you think! You gotta believe me. The guy isn't here, I promise!
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
¿Qué está pasando?
Auntie Greenleaf.
It hurts when you do it that fast. What?
Why Rachel? Why the little girl?
I don't think that's any of your business, Wolf.
Why?
How about because it works? That's why. That good enough for you? Certainly kept you two off the scent for a while.
A short while. All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
I was born in the woods to a jackal and a...
Where's Crane? Speak quickly.
I ain't a fortune teller, Wolf. I have no heavenly idea where he went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew.
You're an accomplice to murder. Do you realize that?
You might want to check your facts on that.
¿Cómo? ¿Qué trata de decir, eh?
It doesn't matter. I can't help you.
Sabes algo,
I have
pinche
no interest
pendeja.
in being turned into a skink and crushed under boot
Y
heels.
escaparme entre sus pies.
There's powers at work here beyond your pathetic authority.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something,
We can protect you, okay? Whatever it is you're afraid of, we can make sure that it won't come to pass.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
No, pues no sé, por
okay,
eso
you
quiero
know what I think?
quiero
I think we've
respuestas.
been more than patient with you. This witch has been selling illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it, and now she's resisting every attempt to make things right. I frankly don't give a crap if she's afraid for her life. We can at least make sure she never hurts us again. We're destroying the tree.
No!
¿Qué pasa?
How dare you come in here and threaten to take from me the one thing that... That tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment. And the Fables, who can't afford the glamours from you, come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. 2 Fables are dead because of this crap. It's too dangerous leaving this stuff with her.
You think I like being the old woman in these stories? The men are heroes, the ladies are whores, and the old hags like me get to watch everyone they love die.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very
Yeah,
different
nos
means
puede
to
hacer
handle
lo
it
que
too.
And I don't use it as an excuse to wreck people's lives.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but please.
Dale.
No, it's too much. We can't ruin this woman's life over this.
Ruin this woman's life? It's a slap on the wrist compared to what she's done. Bigby, this is an order. Burn the tree.
No!
Ah,
look,
bueno.
look, I'll tell you.
Ojo.
Crane was here. He was here, and he left. He went to the pudding and pie to try to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What does the ring do?
He thinks it's the ring of dispel. You know, that it will pierce the protection around the girls' speech. He says pulling the truth out of them will prove his innocence. It
Inocencia.
won't, though. Damn thing lost its power decades ago.
I'm sorry, but we still can't let you keep the tree. It wouldn't be right after what's happened. Bigby,
Please,
No,
Sheriff,
solo estás molesta con Crane.
don't.
Snow, do you really want to kill this tree for Fabletown? Or do you want me to burn it because you're pissed off at Crane for what he did to you?
they stole my hair from my apartment, Bigby. So, yeah, I'm pissed, but I still know what's best for this town.
We're not burning the tree, Snow. All right, let's go.
Hey, Greenleaf. Don't think this is over.
I won't.
Es decir, es que si lo piensas bien, pues es una manera fácil de evadir los impuestos, si lo piensas detenidamente. Y yo estoy a favor de evadir impuestos. Así que por eso no destruí el árbol. Déjame prendo la luz. Ya la prendí. Y estamos de nuevo sentados.
That's Crane's car.
Ay, mierda. Ya está aquí. Entramos con una patada.
No, it's nothing you need to concern yourself with. I don't think so, at least. Shit. Hold on. Sheriff, is there something more I can help you with? Decided you want a taste of the wares? Oh, I see.
Ay.
To audition, you bitch.
Ah, ¿dónde está Crane?
Where's Crane?
Ichabod Crane? What would that nerd have with a place like this?
Tell me what you know, now!
Ay.
Hey,
De
you
una.
can't just go in there. We have a problem.
Ay, ahí vienen.
Tell me who did it. I know you know.
Mr. Crane, please. She can't help.
I know you know what the plan is. I won't be held accountable for this.
I can't. I'm sorry.
Quítate, viejo.
Bigby.
Wait, don't.
Nada más lo agarré, no lo quería golpear.
I didn't do anything. I promise you, I didn't do anything. These girls, the girls, they'll back me up. I just have to get this stupid ring working, that's all. They can't talk because of that spell. But once this ring gets through, I'll know what's going on and this whole thing will be over. That's all. Please. I'm innocent. Completely innocent.
The ring won't work. Greenleaf sold you out.
What? No. This will work. I assure you, it must. I wouldn't did you. Come on, please. Tell me who killed her.
My lips are sealed.
Mierda, qué miserable, ¿no? Se ve.
How many years?
Me recuerda a mí.
What?
How many years has this been going on?
Too many. But I didn't kill those women, Bigby. Please, I had nothing to do with that. It just, oh God.
We found the photos of you and Lily.
I know. That was,
¿Tú qué? ¿Tú qué? ¡Dilo! ¡Dilo!
love you, Snow.
Oh!
I love you, and I'm sorry I'm not Prince Charming, okay? I'm sorry I didn't cheat on you and run away to Europe.
You don't
Oh.
love me, Crane. I know what this is. I've seen it before. It is not love.
Mierda, güey. ¿Y por qué te agachaste, güey?
I don't think he did it.
What?
¿Qué?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women? He's not. He wouldn't be brave enough.
What do you mean? You don't think he did it at all? If you'd seen the room,
I don't need to see the room.
there's a lot he has to answer for.
There's a lot we all have to answer for.
This is different, Snow, and you know it.
You said you found evidence of him defrauding Fabletown, of using our money for his own ambitions. That's one thing. But don't you have doubts he's a murderer? We've both known him for so long.
I can't believe I'm hearing this. Did you see how he was acting when you showed up?
Yes, I know how this.
This
Sabe,
fuck
ma.
up knows more than he's saying.
I don't.
Yes, okay, he probably does. But there's a difference between being involved and being the guy who did it.
Okay, but if Crane didn't kill Faith and Lily, I'm sorry, but who the hell did? You know, when I saw you come back here, I thought this was over.
Now, I know, and I'm sorry, but
If the killer's still out there, I want to know who it is.
We'll find out who did it soon enough. Just trust us, Vivian.
I didn't intend for any of this to get so...
you've been stealing money from Fabletown for years, haven't you? Yeah.
Ay.
We're
Peña
not gonna
Nieto, what the
kill you,
fuck?
So quit your shivering. Ichabod Crane, you are under arrest for the misappropriation of Fabletown funds. You have the right to counsel, the right to depose witnesses. But as of right now, you're coming with us.
You are extraordinarily lucky Miss White was here to save your ass. Because if it was up to me, I'd have your head swinging from the Washington Bridge.
Okay, Sheriff, that's
Bueno, yo no
enough.
dije eso.
This can't be Greenleaf again and again, behaving however you like, acting without constraint. You have to respect this office, Bigby. And you have to respect me as its leader.
Bueno.
Starting now.
You think you have what it takes to run that office? You think I didn't make sacrifices? I made sacrifices. And you won't be in that chair 1 minute before you have to give up something you care about just so the wheels don't fall off the goddamn wagon. I did the best
bueno.
I could with what I had. And the town took everything it could out of me.
Better save your energy, huh? You're going away for a long time.
Ay, carajo. mierda, güey. Pero ahorita van a estar unos matones afuera, ¿o no? O Doom, que los llamó este güey. ¿Quién sabe quiénes pueden ser, verdad?
Oh, okay.
Siento que este se le la he visto antes.
Preposterous schemes.
What are you saying?
Nah, tiroteo. Ok. Ok. ¿No sería más fácil brincar? Ah, bueno, pues ahí hay una salida. Ya no. Eso pensaba. Mierda. Didom, claro. Tenían que ser ellos. Oh. ¿Y esa quién putas es?
What you got there?
¿Tengo portada?
Look, it's recently come under our attention that you're, how shall I put this?
Mierda.
Attempting to claim what is the personal property of the Crooked Man. He's about yay high, 120 odd pounds. Pissed his sheets until he was 14. Sound familiar?
I haven't told him anything.
Not now, not now. Shh.
¿Quién
The
eres?
grown-ups are talking.
Who are you?
No. That's not how this works. How this works is you are going to walk Crane over here. Like a good doggy.
It wasn't my fault.
Shut up. You're interfering with official Fabletown business. Step aside.
Tweedledee. What's the, that thing the Mundies call me?
What?
My nickname. You know what I'm talking about.
Bloody
Mary. That's it. Thank you. And do you know
Bloody
why
Mary?
they call me that? Because some of them, they think it's funny to have their little sleepovers and go into their little bathrooms and say my name 5 times in the mirror. They find it less funny when I actually show up and feed their lungs to the family dog. And I do that for a hobby. Like golf, to relax.
He's in custody, so move your car.
I told you he'd never just give him up.
Oh, que te calles el hocico.
Fuck it.
¡No! ¡Uy! ¡Qué bueno que me dieron un chico de tiempo! ¡Verga! 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 ¡Chupo! ¿Qué? ¿Qué? ¡Ay, vivo! ¡Ay! ¡El lobo! ¡El lobo! ¡Saca el lobo! ¡Dios mío! ¡Les va a cargar la chingada! ¡Dios! ¡Ay! ¿W? ¡Ah! ¿Lo mantengo? Oh, ¿lo mantengo? ¿Lo mantengo? ¡Verga! Bueno, pero no saben disparar o qué. ¿A quién están disparando? ¿Ni me están dando? Uy, 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 uy. ¿W? ¡Oh! ¡Le va a cargar la perra chingada! ¡Llévate, Bigby! ¡Oh! ¿Qué me pasó? ¿Qué? ¿Qué tengo que hacer? ¿Esto? Ahí está. ¿Vamos a por este pendejo? ¡Ah! ¡Verga! ¡Verga! ¡Otro! 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 ¡Ah! ¡Dios! ¡Sigues tú, pendejo! ¡Ay, ya! ¡Al ¡Dale! ¡Te lo aviento! ¡Pues te lo aviento! ¡Chupa! ¿Qué? ¿Tú qué? ¡Dios! ¡Dios! ¡Ay, te lo voy a repetir nada! ¡Matar a Doom! No mames, ¿qué hago? Lo voy a dejar ir. Soy compasible. Ahí quédate. ¿Se desmayó? No soy un monstruo. Ah, mira, no lo maté. ¡No lo maté, Snow! ¡No lo maté! ¡No lo maté! ¡No! Nah, me jodes que es una bala de plata. Hija de puta lo que...
It was a good show, but, you know, it just didn't know when to end.
No mames, es un hacha. No mames, que con eso sí me mata. ¡Es el hacha del leñador!
You know,
No mames, levántate.
I didn't think silver bullets would work on anything but a
Dios.
pure werewolf. But as it turns out, it's just complicated.
¡No mames! ¡No! ¡Lo estoy picando! ¡Lo juro! ¡Lo
Right,
juro!
Wolfie?
¡Lo juro! ¡Lo estoy picando!
I mean, hey,
Dios.
look, I know it sounds ridiculous, but really, guys,
¡Ya! ¡Ya! ¡Por favor!
can you argue with these results?
¿Pero qué pasa?
No, I can't.
¡Dios! ¡No! ¡No, mi amor! ¡No, mi amor!
Wait! Stop!
Llévatelo. Llévatelo, Crane, ya.
Just take him, okay? Take Crane. Just stop, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
Snow, don't do this.
¿Y eso quién es?
It's your lucky day, kid. The Crooked Man says it's okay with him.
Ah, es el hombre.
Hello, Ichabod. Got a stomachache? Oh, and just between us girls, Crane ain't no killer. I mean, look at his
¿Cómo?
face. Couldn't stick a pig if his life depended. Kinda like your boyfriend here. Too pussy to ruin a Tweedle stay.
Verga, mi
It's
brazo.
gonna be a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really, I mean it. I'm jazzed about it. Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the Queen. I'm sure we'll be in touch. See you around.
Ay, lo vio todo. Verga, no mames, se pasó de verga, Verga, ya. Ay, ay, mi corazón. Mi corazón de melón. Verga, estoy demacrado.
He's lucky to be alive. And he won't be next time if he keeps going like this.
This is getting worse by the minute. We don't have time to sit around and wait for their next move.
I'll get things under control. Woody, I'm not gonna tell you again. Back off, dog. This doesn't concern you.
Ay, ¿cómo que no? Si
What you
tenía
wanna
tu
talk
hacha.
about?
I just wanted to, about last night.
Ajá.
After what they did to you, are you even gonna be able to stop them?
Don't hold out on me, Jack. You've always got some angle.
Not this time. I know when a mark's not worth the trouble. Do you?
Don't
Joder.
make me come down there to deal with you. I don't want it. You don't want it. Then again, you don't have much choice at this point, do you?
No mames, pásate de verga. A ver, las decisiones que tomé. ¿Tú interrumpiste a la eulogía? No sé, la ideología de Snow. Ah, ya, el... Cuando la estaban... Cuando la estaban quemando. Ya, ya, ya. Tú y el 80% de los jugadores decidieron no interrumpir el discurso de Snow. Ah, pues mira, sí. El 40% fueron de Lily, 39% de Crane y 19% al despacho de Didon. What place did you invest first? You... Pues a ver, si lo piensas detenidamente, si hubiera ido primero al Didon, pues tendría el nombre, pero no sabría dónde ir. Y gracias a que fui aquí, pues sí supe. La cosa es que hubiera pasado si hubiera ido acá. Eso está interesante. Vamos uno por uno. Did you offer a job? Tú y el 96.1% de los jugadores le ofrecieron trabajo a Flycatcher. Bueno, es que era un buen tipo. Y pues si no quiere trabajar ahí, pues yo le digo, no, no hay pedo. No hay pedo, yo te consigo trabajo. Tú quemaste el árbol de Greenleaf. Tú y el 79.5% de los jugadores no lo quemaron. Es que, a ver, como decía, no es como algo malo querer quemar el árbol, pero pues hay más ventajas que desventajas para los que no pueden a los que sí pueden, ¿sabes? De eso va. Tú mataste al hermano de Dom, al gemelo de Dom. Tú y el 55% de los jugadores no lo mató. Le tuvo misericordia. Misericordia. Dios mío. Pues fue como 50-50. 50 lo mató y 50, el otro 50 no lo mató. Es decir, sinceramente, matar, yo no voy a matar. Si puedo quitar brazos, piernas o algo así, lo haré con gusto. Pero matar no, porque no soy un monstruo. ¿Eh? Tengo título. No soy un monstruo. Y ya. Ahora sí, eso fue todo. Ay, Dios mío, qué buen episodio, la puta madre. Así que chicos, Dios mío, espero les haya gustado el episodio de hoy. Estuvo muy bueno. Yo creo que es el que más he disfrutado ahorita porque estuvo intenso, ¿eh? Ya se va abriendo esto cada vez más y eso está muy OP. Así que espero les haya gustado el episodio de hoy, lo hayan disfrutado, se lo hayan tomado con una tacita de café, un tecito de manzanilla, espero que sea eso, o con agua helada. Y nos vemos en el siguiente episodio. Ay, Dios. ¿De qué me arrepiento de este juego? Me arrepiento de... ¿De qué me arrepiento, güey? Ahorita me quería decir algo, pues me olvidó, pero bueno, lo diré en el siguiente episodio. Adiós. Chao. Ay, Dios mío.